Can Akitas be trained for dock diving competitions? Dock diving is a relatively new and exciting sport that involves dogs jumping off a dock into a body of water. This thrilling activity showcases a dog's athleticism and ability to perform high jumps and long-distance swimming. Many dog breeds excel in dock diving competitions due to their natural abilities, but what about Akitas? Can Akitas be trained for dock diving competitions? Akitas are large and powerful dogs that originated in Japan. They were originally bred for guarding and hunting, which means they possess strong protective instincts. While Akitas may not be the first breed that comes to mind when you think of dock diving, with the right training and dedication, they can certainly excel in this sport. One of the key factors in determining if an Akita can be trained for dock diving competitions is their temperament. Akitas are known for their independence and strong-willed nature. They are not typically known as natural water dogs, unlike breeds such as Labradors or Retrievers that have a natural affinity for water. However, this doesn't mean that Akitas cannot be trained to participate in dock diving competitions. Many Akitas have successfully competed in this sport and have even achieved remarkable results. The key is to start training them from a young age and gradually introduce them to water and the concept of jumping off a dock. Socialization and exposure to water play a crucial role in training Akitas for dock diving competitions. It's essential to expose them to different water environments and allow them to become comfortable around it. Starting with simple water activities like playing fetch in shallow water can help them build confidence and overcome any fears they may have. Training Akitas for dock diving requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. It's important to make the training sessions fun and rewarding for them to keep them engaged. Using treats, toys, and praise can be effective tools in motivating your Akita during training. Start by teaching your Akita basic obedience commands such as sit, stay, and come. These commands will lay the foundation for more advanced training techniques. Once your Akita has mastered basic obedience, you can gradually introduce them to dock diving exercises. Begin by teaching your Akita to jump from a low height and gradually increase the height as they become more comfortable and confident. It's essential to provide them with a safe and controlled environment during training. Always use a secure and stable dock to ensure their safety. The use of a trainer or coach who specializes in dock diving can be beneficial when training your Akita. They can provide guidance and expertise in developing a training plan specifically tailored to your Akita's needs. Additionally, participating in dock diving classes or workshops can expose your Akita to other dogs and help them become familiar with the competition environment. While Akitas may not possess the same innate water-loving qualities as other breeds, with the right training and dedication, they can excel in dock diving competitions. It's important to remember that every dog is unique, and some Akitas may take longer to become comfortable with water and jumping off docks. In conclusion, Akitas can be trained for dock diving competitions. It requires early socialization, exposure to water, and consistent training using positive reinforcement techniques. With patience and dedication, your Akita can overcome any challenges and showcase their natural athleticism in the